Today we will learn how to make a round corner button. It is very simple to do it. We will get a button here. Then we will create a new XML file in Drupal. We will call it C. Okay. Here our XML, it is very simple. We will add this code. I get it from Google. It is also about how to add shape and how to make its color, and we can change these colors and add color what we want. I will return to my button and add background. And use at Drupal, and we will add the file name C. When I go to my design, it is need to make a clean for project, so our design will appear. It take time to appear. So our design here, and we can control it as any button else, and we could move it, or we can make it bigger. So here is our button. We can make it smaller than this, and so on. So it's very simple to make a button in a new design, and we simply get the code from internet and add it here. We could also create it with ourselves if anyone wants to create or to change the colors. We can make all these things, and we will add it to our button. Then it will appear here in our design. Also, we can add a new button, and we will make the same thing. We will make it here, and we will change this. Then we will add background. And change the file name to BC. Here our button appears. Then we can make many buttons and make the same things, and it will appear as we want. So we will change the background. You can copy it and paste it here. Then we will make the same thing. So we get our buttons, change it, and we can customize it and move it as we like. So here is our design, and we can create many files here and use it in our design. It is very simple to do this and to use your app and use it in many apps you want. Thanks.